Mercury Automobile repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Mercury automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Mercury Automobile repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Mercury manufactures cars that owners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy autos require occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Mercury auto repair from experienced professionals, your local auto helper can help. Excessive oil consumption. It's a fact of life your car will need fresh oil to stay functioning. However, if you're finding it's needing changes and top-ups more frequently than it should, there might be a problem. Early signs you need to check your oil include a minor dip in performance and the ever-dreaded oil light on your dashboard. When your car is in particularly dire need of an oil change, you may even start to see corrosion in its engine. Another oil-related complaint is the clogged oil filter. You'll probably see this problem if you've waited too long to change the oil. While modern cars come with systems that are equipped with filter bypasses, it's a good rule of thumb to change the filter whenever you change the oil. Radiator leaks. Corrosion is the typical culprit when it comes to radiator leaks. However, the root cause of corrosion can be anything from poor maintenance to factory defects to contaminated fluid. In general, it makes more sense to replace a radiator rather than patch it up. That first leak means corrosion has already set in and more leaks will follow soon. Whichever course you decide to take, avoid driving your car before it's fixed. A leaky radiator can lead to overheating and even an engine fire. Dead battery. The cause may be a defect or mistreatment. Hot summers, or that one time you may have accidentally left a light on for a day or 5. Dead batteries are a frequent cause of panic among car owners. While repairs can be as simple as getting a jump from a neighbor, most batteries need to be replaced every 3 to 6 years. Transmission. Your car's transmission is basically a gearbox that converts the power generated by the engine into rotational force torque the wheels can use. Unfortunately, it's also one of the most frequent sources of complaints. Over time, the gears can wear down, resulting in the transmission not being able to shift gears properly. Eventually, the whole transmission will fail. That's a multi-$1,000 fix. Water damage. Liquids can also leak into the transmission. Such is the case with water dripping from the radiator or the whole unit getting soaked through from serious flooding. However, it got there. Water mixing with transmission fluid is bad news. Even a very small amount of water can lead to transmission failure. This is because water directly damages the components of the transmission system, wearing away the glue and rusting metal. Evaporative leaks. High outside temperatures cause the fuel in your gas tank to expand. Without some venting, that pressure would build and damage your gas tank. However, since these fumes are also toxic, modern cars are equipped with a system of specialized vents and devices to keep this pollution from hitting the open air. Problems with this system are called evaporative leaks. Loose gas caps are by far the most common evaporative leaks, causing roughly half of newer car repairs based on the check engine light. While a gas cap costs only a few dollars to replace, ignoring that warning can lead to catalytic converter failure, a problem that will run you over $1 to solve. Transmission fluid leaks. Your vehicle's transmission requires a special fluid to keep its components well lubricated. In cars with automatic transmissions, transmission fluid also works as a hydraulic fluid and coolant. Throughout your car's life, small holes can form anywhere in this system, such as in the fluid lines, seals, or gaskets. These tiny tears allow transmission fluid to escape, causing a leak. If the leak is bad enough to lower the overall fluid levels, your transmission will lose efficiency and may eventually fail, whether from overheating or internal pressure loss. Leaks can also come from cracks in the transmission pan that collects excess fluid. When that happens, you'll probably see a big red puddle under your vehicle. SourceCarBrain.com